Okay, this is going to be a video about replacing the AC belt tensioner on the 2004 Envoy 5.3. I'm sure it'll apply to Trailblazers and other years as well. But a lot of people are saying they're having to notch out that fan shroud and get to it that way, or use wobble extensions. Honestly, all I did, you can see that's a new one there. All I did for that hard to reach bolt was a 10-inch, 3/8 inch drive for the 15mm socket. I took it out all the way down there, and if you go underneath the car, you can see that my 3/8 inch ratchet's right there with that 10-inch extension on that hard to reach bolt. You can use it on the easier one to get to as well. Makes it pretty easy. So yeah, that should save you a lot of trouble and time. So take care.